Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you how to attach binoculars to a tripod. Now in this demonstration I'm going to be attaching the Celestron Skymaster 15x70 binoculars to a K&F concept tripod. Now I will have a link to all of these different items in the description down below if you did want to get your hands on this particular setup, but otherwise you can check it out and get an idea of kind of the things that you need to get. Now, I do believe that most binoculars will attach to a tripod just like this. So even if you don't want to get these particular binoculars or this particular tripod, it should all follow the same similar process. Okay, so let's delve into it. So as you can see, we've had a lot of rain here in the UK, so that's why I've got all of the items on a chair. But you'll see here, we've got our binoculars. We've also got a Celestron binocular tripod adapter. Now I'm going to be using that because these binoculars do not come with this adapter, and you're going to need this in order to attach binoculars to the tripod. So I've set up the tripod ahead of recording, and as you can see here, everything comes included with this tripod. So let's get on to the attaching, shall we? So the first thing that I would recommend doing is taking this out. So this is basically this is almost like a vise, and if I kind of screw this anti-clockwise, this comes out. Now this may be the case with your tripod, or it will have similar functionality, so just bear that in mind. So we'll put that there for now. At this stage, and this is pretty uniform across most binoculars, at the front of the binoculars you should find that this component here, if I just point to it, unscrews. So if I go anti-clockwise, it's unscrewing. Now of course don't drop it like I have. I seem to do that in all of my videos. Look after that, because you don't want that to you want to keep that A, protected, and B, doesn't look as visually as nice without that cap. But you'll see that it's exposed this kind of threaded area. Now if I show you this is the adapter I've got. Again, link in the description if you're looking for one of these. It's not too expensive, it's really lightweight as well. But all you need to do with this, and let me put the binoculars down, is first unscrew this. Again, anti-clockwise. You'll notice that most of the screwing is either, well, anti-clockwise to begin with and then clockwise after. Make sure you keep the washer there, just so it keeps your binoculars protected. At this point, you just line this up. It's quite hard doing this without... I like to do this over a table usually, just to keep all your optics protected. And you're just screwing this on, okay? Hopefully you can see that. You're just screwing this on. So I'm going clockwise here, make sure it's nice and tight there. And now that is very tight on there. That's keeping the adapter nice and secure to the binoculars. At this stage, if we go back to, I'll put these down like this. Of course, you need to be very careful with your optics, so just be mindful. At this stage, this is what I showed you earlier. This came off of the tripod. Now this, you can see this, you're essentially just screwing this on. Now again, it depends on your adapter that comes with your tripod, but as I say, I'm a big fan of this K&F concept tripod, so if you are looking for a particular setup, I would recommend it. It's worked really well for me so far. Make sure that's really nice and secure. And at this stage, make sure you're all kind of level. At this stage, all you need to do is slot that in. You can hopefully saw and heard that slot. Now here is like a vise, again, as I mentioned earlier. I'm going clockwise, and again that's just heightening it up. And at this stage you'll see that we have our binoculars attached to our tripod and we are ready to start viewing, whether that's we want to view the sky, whether we want to view something terrestrial. We can do that now. And in terms of manipulating these binoculars, it's all from the tripod itself. So you want to leave that one. Do not mess around with this lever, because that's obviously going to release the binoculars from the tripod. So be careful, be mindful, maybe hold your binoculars and manipulate the other levers to operate the mount at the top. So I believe this one, if I just undo that, that's the ball bearing, so hopefully you can see that. Look, then once we get into position, we can secure that assuming you got the right height, we can look through these, and now we're looking at the sky. So I hope this video is useful. As I say, all the products will be in the description below if you did want to get them, or just have an idea, get an idea of what you need. As you can see, it's a relatively simple process. In terms of disassembling, if that's the right word, unassembly, I'm not sure what the right word is, it just goes in reverse. But just make sure that you keep all of these things. You've got this extra washer here, I believe, from the adapter. Don't forget that from your binoculars. And yeah, you can set this up ahead of viewing. You could leave this inside, or alternatively you could do it as I have, just ahead of an observation, but it doesn't take too long. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please hit the like button. That tells me I should continue recording videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And with that said, all of the best for your observations, and I hope you have an excellent day.